any kind of sexuality outside of marriage between one man and one woman is sin. That means sexuality of any kind between a man and a woman who are not married is sin. The Bible calls it fornication. Dautan pakikilawas. That's what the Bible calls it. Kung duwa ka tao, wala pa namin yun. Say, well, we love each other. That has nothing ka na, wala ay labot. Wala ay kalabutan. No, is it? Nahigugmaay? Nahigugmaay, mi. Diba? Kana wala ay alibay para sa sala. It is sin. Kung wala sila namin yun. I don't care if they're in high school or 40 years old. I don't care if one is married and the other isn't, or silang duwa namin yung salakin. Doesn't matter. Bisan unsang sexuality, gawas sa kaminyo on maong sala. That means sexuality between a man and a man is always sin. Always. Always. The Bible calls it sodomy. Gikan sa syuda gitawag Sodom. Tungkol napuno sa mga bayot. God says homosexuality is sin. I don't care what the world says. God's right. Sakto siya. Sayop sila. Siyang nagsulat sa balaod din sila. Ang tao balik makasulat sa ilang kawaliyang balaod. That's not what the Bible teaches. You don't get to choose your own right and wrong. You know what that means? Sexuality between a woman and a woman is sin. You say, well, what if they're married? They can't get married. Ang lalaki o babae dali pwede maminyo. Oh, basin Pastor Mike, ang Congress maghimo sa balaod dayon pwede sila magminyo. It's still not marriage. It's not marriage. Marriage is defined by God. One man, one woman for life. Amen. Duwa ka lalaki dali pwede maghimo sa kaminyoon, dili mahimo. Duwa ka babae dali maghimo sa kaminyoon, dili mahimo. Have you ever noticed if you have two men, they can't reproduce? Try. These crazy trans people. Well, do you believe that trans woman is really a woman? Lalaki man siya, pero huno-huno siya na babae, naghimo sa sex change surgery, naggamit sa mga hormones, nagatubag ka nga, babae na siya? No. Laki gihapon pero nalibog jud. Si Pastor Mike, kanusay ka mo to nga babae jud siya kung manganak siya. That's when I'll believe it. Until a trans man can bear children, I will not believe it's a woman. And just in case you're really confused, like you listen too much to the news, no man will ever give birth to a child. He lacks the equipment. It's not going to happen. And no woman will ever give birth to a child without a man. Dili mahimo. So bisan unsang sexuality gawas sa kaminyoon, mao ang sala. God says marriage is one man and one woman. I don't care if the Congress passes a law. God's still right. Amen. God invented marriage, not the Filipino Congress, not the American Congress, not the president. God.